friends, I am participating in a fun collaboration. It is called How Do You Do? And each person that is in the collaboration has been sent the same package of goodies, which is what I'm going to unbox today. So what we're supposed to do is we all have identical goodies, and then we are to create whatever we want. The sky is the limit. So we can create whatever we want, and then we're going to share it, and we're going to see the difference of what everybody makes. So here's a beautiful piece of fabric. We have this torn piece. We have this gorgeous old quilt. I love that, actually. Let's see what we have in here. So while I'm opening this, I want to tell you, this is hosted by Denny Craft in collaboration with Darcy's Misadventures with Mixed Media, because it's through Darcy's Facebook group. I'm not sure if all of the participants have YouTube videos, but you could certainly join Darcy's Facebook group to check out everybody's makes. Everybody is going to share their makes on October 1st. So we have from now until October 1st to create whatever it is that we want and share it. And aren't these cool? Super excited about those. These are really unique and awesome. So we have some chain here. There's such a variety of items here. This is super exciting. Little steampunk here. A magnet. In here we have some string, eyelash trim, a beautiful, I don't know if that's a cabochon or what that is, but that's pretty cool. Some pretty beads, this little tiny mini, what do we call this, spool. Yeah, this is great. All kinds of goodness there. We have a nice big leaf. Wow, there's so much stuff to create with. This is wild. This is great. It's so fun. Oh, we have a wooden flower. Oh, very nice. Could turn that into a shaker, right? We have some bits of lace. And there's some paper. Little piece of a doily. A nice green button. Envelope. Book and map pages, fabric, some cool foil cardstock. That'll be fun. Shall we take a look? Let's see what colors we got. Oh yeah, these are great. That's fun. We got some words. I love these. These are fantastic. Oh, and they're on stickers. Oh, that's very cool. Love that. Pretty, I almost said pillow. Why would I say pillow? Pretty napkin, which those actually remind me of fish. I don't know if it reminds you of fish. You'll have to let me know. Look at this butterfly. Aww. Cool wax bag. Love it. Oh, I'm crazy about this. This is an old check from 1934. In here we have, I think I can open it. Fairly certain. There it is. Wow, that's cool. I never saw anything like this before. But there's some stamps up in there and some other pieces to work with and some, looks like some gel print right there. Very cool. I love it. Look at this. Some black and gray daisies. Some old paper. Check that. That's pretty cool. I like it. And then one more envelope of goodies. Let's see what we got. This is going to be really, really fun to see what everybody makes and how different it all is and, you know, all of that good stuff. Check out this variety of buttons. And actually there was some more buttons over here, and I'm gonna pop these buttons over with these buttons. Let's see here. Yeah, I've got the green one. I'll keep the buttons together. This has birds on it. Oh, look at, oh, geez. I just lost a button. Look at this cute rocking horse here. Let me make some space. I'll put him down here so you guys can see him. We got a little bird. And purple. Some more birds. Ah, these are so cute. Some kitty cats. Those are adorable. Oh, another bird. So cute. I'm working on a bird journal right now. I wonder if they'd be mad if I use the birdie buttons in my bird journal. I love those horses. So cute. And then we got some buttons here, and then we have butterflies, and then we have some colorful ball pins. Love it all. I'm gonna make sure all of that stuff gets back in here. We have some adorable little stickers. All right, and then we have some papers. We have red. Ooh, that's beautiful, sort of brown and gold. And then actually, this is more of an orange or like a burnt red. And then this is like true red, so that's nice. Tan, white with like threads going through it, more of this shiny brown. Blue, red with gold on it. Gray, sort of another shade of gray with like a drop of green in it is what I'm picking up. Paper clips. Oh, we'll have to make some hidden paper clips. Got Bye Bye Birdie, so some nice ephemera there. Wooden tag, some small cards. Oh, these are cute. Some money, and then some game cards. Got it. These are cute. And then a nice tropical die cut. Pretty napkin. So springy. Ooh, my gosh, gorgeous napkin. Wow. Oh, these are delightful. Look at this. Aw, it's so cute. Black and white, so pretty. Another paper clip. And a nice piece. Oh, and another one. And a nice piece. Oh, a couple pieces actually of this cool brown graph paper, which actually seems like it sticks together at the top. Indeed it does. Very nice. Wow, this is great. So I hope you guys will check out my video on October 1st so that you can see what I come up with for all this goodness. And check out the other people's videos that are also playing along, and head over to the Facebook group so that you can see pictures of all this goodness as well. Hello friends, welcome to How Do You Do? And it's being hosted in Darcy's Misadventures with Mixed Media Facebook group. The host of the collaboration is Cheryl with the Whole Bucket. So I want to mention to you that I made this cover out of a box, and the sheet that I used did not come in the kit that was sent to us, but these black flowers did. And then everything inside of this, with the exception of these gems right here, although the bracelet was sent, but these gems I had in my stash, and a few pictures, and I'm going to show you the first one. Besides the few pictures, everything else was from the packet that was sent to us. So here's one of the tags I created, and like I said, this photo I had in my stash, but everything else was sent to us. So this is an accordion, like I mentioned. I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way. And we're going to flip open our first page. Actually, we can use this to flip it open if we want to. So this was a super fun collaboration, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what everybody else makes. This photo here was also in my stash. I really love this very, very old quilt. I could tell that it was hand stitched, so this quilt was probably easily 100 years old, and I thought that was really fun. And I added this button, and it's this little horse, and I just thought that was cute. But that came in the packet. This photo was mine. I think these flowers were mine, but everything else was part of the package. It's a nice vintage check from 1934. Turned it into a tag. I had some cardstock and I covered it with the napkins that were sent in the kit. Also covered it with the fabric that was sent in the kit. This is the other piece of this quilt right here. So now we're going to open this up like this. So I have a pocket here with a little kitty cat and a button. Oh yeah, and then some sayings were also sent. Oh, I did an unboxing of the kit, so if you go take a look at that unboxing video, you'll be able to see how I used everything. It was super fun to do this, and I really enjoyed also the challenge of really trying to use everything that was in the kit. I thought that was a lot of fun. And the thing too about the kit that was sent, we all sent in different stuff, and so it was a very eclectic package that we had to work with, which I found to be a very fun challenge. And now I'm going to open it up. Well, I'm going to show it to you this way. Here's the accordion. We'll open it up like this. And I'll show it to you from that side all the way over to this side. And then we'll flip it over and do the same thing over here. These are all the pages that I created. Some you can write directly on, and then some are pockets with tags. So friends, I hope you enjoyed seeing it. It was really fun to make. I do love to create these accordion journals and scrapbooks. So much fun. So this is the little holder that I made for it. And there we are. So thank you to Darcy for hosting, and also to Cheryl for creating this fun collaboration. Thanks for watching. See you soon.